It's great to be at Abergavenny for the steel signing. It's going to be a great facility for our communities and of course in order for us to respond to those emergencies across this area of the county. It's a big day. I'm really looking forward to seeing the sustainability agenda really be brought to life here in our police estate.
It has great green credentials, has a number of PV panels on the roof, 8 EV charging stations. There's lots of ecology in this building as well. There's bird and bat boxes located on the perimeter, as well as new tunnels that are installed as part of our main works. Work's on site going well, and we look forward to handing the job over to Brent Police in the new year.
I know it's been a long journey. It's not over yet, but it's great to see it here. And I know that the community will really appreciate it. This will be a very important public service facility going forward.
And of course at the core of this is also the well-being for our officers as well. So a great day for us all and a great day for Abergavenny.